You will be amazed how fast God will hear, Lord, help me. Amen. You will be amazed at how fast God will hear your tears without your words. That sometimes you go into his presence and your heart is so heavy from grief and trouble, and you think you gotta muster up something to say. Just sit there and cry. He can read your tears. Your tears are liquid words. We can't read them, but God can read them. And I want to free some of you up who always think because he's grand and because he's holy, you got to go in there and you got to have great theological vernacular. He don't care about your theology in the secret place. He cares about sincerity, honesty, clean hands, and a pure heart in the secret place. After tonight, just talk to him with honesty and watch how he responds. Don't pray like them with all these empty words, for the Father knows exactly what you need before you pray.